Welcome student. Today is the first class of soft computing. In this lecture video, I want to share you the course outcome, the course objective, the course content, and what are the lecture plan we will follow. So, I am Devashri Mitra, Assistant Professor of CSE Department from JS College of Engineering. These are the portfolio I am holding right now. If you have any query regarding any study or anything, you can call me or you can just drop me an email. Okay, so just I'm going to the next part, that is these are the paper name: soft computing. Paper code is CS702A. Contact lecture is 3 lecture per week and credit is 3, and we are expecting we will complete this syllabus of this course within 38 lectures. So these are the prerequisite of your syllabus, that is the solid a student should have the solid background in mathematical knowledge and programming knowledge. Next one is the course objective: to learn the basics of soft computing usage, to learn the basics of many optimization algorithm, to learn the solve and optimize the real world problem using soft computing methodology. So these are the course content of the syllabus. There are 4 modules. Module 1 consists of the introduction to soft computing and the artificial intelligence related part, and there are different searching technique, problem solving technique. These things are discussed in module 1. In module 2 we will do genetic algorithm thoroughly, and so in module 3 we will mainly focus our study on neural network, and neural network is also we will cover up to backpropagation algorithm and also adaptive resonance theory also. And in soft computing part, in the module 4 we will cover the fuzzy system, the fuzzy logic, the fuzzification method, the defuzzification method, and the fuzzy control, etc. So these are the course outcome. After completion of this course, student will be able to complete after the completion of this course, a student will be able to achieve the knowledge, to acquire the knowledge of soft computing and the hard computing. In number 2, a student will have the develop the skill, the soft computing methodology, to understand the concept of techniques of designing and the implementing soft computing methods in the real world problem. A student will be able to acquire the knowledge of the fuzzy neural network and the genetic algorithm. A student will have the analyze power and the optimization power to solve any real life problem. Okay, so these are the COPO mapping. There are 12 program outcomes, and this is the course outcome, 5 course outcome. Mainly program outcome 1, 2, 3 and 6 will be mapped over here. These are the textbook and the reference book and the online coursework we have already shared. So this is the lesson plan. In module 1 we are expecting module 1 will be covered within 7 lectures, module 2 will be covered within 10 lectures, and module 3 will be covered within 12 lectures, and module 4 will take the 8 lectures maximum. So thank you students. I hope from the next class you will enjoy the class. Thank you.